Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where Lana's apartment is on Dress to Impress. So right now we're in free play mode, as you can tell. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn to the right, and you will see this door over here. And you're just going to interact it, and you'll be teleported to the lobby. You'll see there's like a receptionist here, and you'll see you can take pictures here if you'd like. Then you are going to just go to the elevator, which is here, and you're just going to press on this button, and it will basically teleport you to Lana's like room in her apartment. Well, her apartment, I guess. And this is what it looks like. It is super duper cute. You'll see to my left, my right, okay, there's a kitchen here and you're able to cook. So you are able to interact with a lot of stuff like here. And then you will see there's this living room area where you can also take pictures here. You can turn on the light just in case, well, if it's like dark, I guess, you are able to turn the light on and off. And there's a lot of seating positions here. Then here, I try to sit down so many times. And then you'll see Lana as her own wallpaper. And you'll also see she's playing Roblox there. And then if you go here, that's just the main like hallway. There's like a few entrances here, as you can see. Then if you go to the left, you'll see her bedroom. This is my like favorite spot here, this like nook over here. I don't know what it's called, but it's very pretty. And you can sit, you can sleep here, and then you are also able to do your nails here, as you can see, so you don't have to go back to the like free play area. And then if you go to her closet, you're able to change your hair here, and you're also able to basically change your makeup here as well. And then you cannot change your outfits though, but you'll see some of the outfits like all around the closet. Then after that, we have the bathroom right here. And you can wash your hands, you can interact with the bathtub as well as the toilet, and I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.